I feel like I should be helping, but I really like your guys' angle. What's up, guys? We're in Seattle for Wekfest. We're loading a car for pre-setup on Saturday. We'll be at the convention center for a few hours setting up, doing a bunch of hard work, and then the show's tomorrow.
Push it out.
What does the game say? That he's a better rapper, rider, overall.
Yes, we're at the convention center right now. Me and the guys got here early. We're gonna be unloading some of the stuff for the booth, getting it set up, taping off the spots for the car, rolling down some protective film for the middle hall for some of the nicer cars that are going to be displayed in the exhibitor hall. Gatito Gordito. That's a sick ass shirt, dude.
Yeah, it's fucking Team Green. The clubhouse in Pasadena.
Oh, okay.
This is my cycling kit.
Sounds like my cat. What do these look like? Are these the actual stanchion things?
Yeah, these are new though.
That green is sick.
The green looks really good.
Ready to play some outdoor basketball. Hello, this is so hard, dude. I don't even know what I did to my pair. I had a pair of those a long time ago. So we have to put these protective sheets down to protect the carpet. We display cars in this little section, usually more of the showcased cars. So we're laying this plastic down. All right, guys, we're all laid out. Just gotta tape down the edges of the plastic.
Yeah, Diamond Day.
We're almost done taping up. The booth is set up. We taped off the spots where we're gonna park the cars. You pissed on the floor or
No! He said I pissed on the floor. No, motherfucker!
Almost with the sneeze.
What?
We just gotta let it out, we have to let it dry overnight.
Let it dry.
Let it dry overnight.
Recording. God damn it. See?
It's okay.
We can't be talking about this like in San Jose when
That's perfect. That's exactly where it should.
Put that shit on BTS. It's
gotta be real.
Sneezed all over the floor. There's a wet sign over there.
Dwayne pissed on his pants.
How you wear the dark pants?
Oh, sorry. That's good.
That's good?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Whoops, sorry.
Ellen got all the tunes in here for you.
You know this is called the Fremont Troll, right?
Yeah.
A big ass La Boo Boo. So they sent all the Filipinos on a very Filipino mission to grab dinner. What's up, dude? Morning, guys. It's about to be showtime here in Seattle. everyone is already, and who's going in when?
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
It's
Stateside
so it's
garage.
supposed, these are the intake, right? But they're missing 5. So
Okay.
they got their 5. Then we have
That's stateside?
stateside.
What's some? I wonder if we should start checking these guys off.
Hey, can this truck move behind the Audi so the trailers can come through here?
Okay, just hold on 1 second, okay? They're trying to figure out your spot. So there's only 2 cars in your group? Yeah. Okay. All right, give us a second. What's up, man? How's it going? Good, good. If you wanna, you see where the Element is? All the way in the back?
Oh, yeah.
I think that's where you guys are gonna be. Just go ahead and pull up, follow that aisle, and then they'll park you right now. Okay? All right, guys. What's the name of the company again?
Throttle Grotto.
Alan, I got Throttle Grotto with just 1 car, 10x10. It's a V-dub right here. Yeah, just follow him. He'll take you.
Guy in the black hat.
The blue, yeah. Correct. Thank you. Hey, I can bring some cars in before I give it to those guys.
Okay, so they're ready to roll.
Okay. Which crew is
Emoji style.
Emoji style?
Yep.
Kimoji style.
Yeah.
Dwayne, I'm gonna bring in Kimoji style. There's a bunch of cars in the booth, so whenever you're ready, let me know.
Emoji,
They're right here.
they only have 5 cars.
Yeah, 5 cars
They have
and their
5?
booth. Yeah, they're all here.
That's more than 5.
No, they have 3 support vehicles. Yeah, the SUV, the Fit, and another one of those cars is a support vehicle. So, Chewy, you can send them.
Send who?
Kimoji. I'm just gonna have them right here, and then they're gonna stage them. Hey guys, I'm gonna bring you in so you're not waiting in the shade.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna park you guys, and then someone's gonna grab you and show you where your spot is, okay?
Okay, cool.
All right, so just follow me. Come on in, follow him. No, just stay right there. Stay right there, yeah. Just go behind him. Yeah. They're right over here. I just need, yeah. Number 20. Or 19. Wow.
Right here.
Oh shit, my bad. I didn't know. All right.
No.
This is them though.
They're right here.
This is. Oh shit, I didn't know. All right, Alan. Whenever you're done, I have Obsessed in the center of the venue. It's a white minivan and all of that group of cars. D, where do you want them? This way?
18? Yeah. Square down the middle.
Right here for now, D? Dwayne, right here for now? Yeah. Looking good in here. ZP3, one of my biggest inspirations of a car. We use DC5. About 11 o'clock, guys. We are hopefully almost done. Hopefully almost done with staging. Everything's going real smooth. It's getting hot. Technical difficulties. about to start the judges meeting.
Difficulties. I just want to thank everyone for the smooth rolling. I know there was a little bit of a hecticness outside with one of the ramps being closed, so it's kind of caused a little bit of a little delay in some of the rolling. So I want to thank you on behalf of our two guys that were doing all the rolling, and the two guys out at the ramp in the room, David, Chewy, Barry, Dwayne, and Alan. From them, they want to thank you guys for the smooth rolling today. You guys have been really great, really patient with them. So thank you. I appreciate that. Before I get started, there's a little bit of thing that we need to do.
Together, how clean it is, your execution, how nice it is. Obviously, there's going to be cars in here that have a huge mod list, but maybe there's another car that's more well put together with not as many mods. We care about stuff like that. We look at that. For those of you that have been here before, you understand that, and that's probably why you're back. Thank you guys all for being here. If you were accepted, that means that we already like your car. So don't look at it as, oh, I'm not winning an award, they don't like my car. No, you're here. We accepted you. So thank you again for being here. I'll let Joey go from here.
You got it.
Yeah, what's up everybody? How are we doing today? I'll give you a little bit of energy since these guys gave me none of it. How many of you guys are new here? You've never been to a Wekfest? Oh, okay. All right, welcome. Oh, nice t-shirt right there, sir. How many of you guys have been here before? And how many of you guys are not from Washington? Dang, look at that. People in Washington don't like us anymore. But yeah, we do things a little bit differently here because we judge based on flow, execution. We want to hear the story. We want to understand your car build and why it came together the way it does visually. You don't have to stand there and tell us. We're pretty experienced and we know what we're looking at. For those that are new, we don't do a point system because a point system doesn't make sense anymore in today's day because everybody expresses themselves differently, right? You don't need to have full audio in your race car for that to make sense just so you can get those points. We don't do that here. We want you guys to have fun. We're all about community. We want you guys to chat with each other, meet each other. Since there are so many of you that are new and not from here, we want you guys to walk around and share your stories with new people. So make some friends today. I know I've met plenty of people here over the years. Some of them don't come back. That's unfortunate. That's probably more on me than you guys. So please do a better job of making friends than us. We want you guys to have fun today. Don't do anything stupid. If you look dumb, go get a haircut over there. They're just cutting hair over there for some reason. Right next to the food place. That makes total sense. So we just want you guys to have fun. Please don't stand around your car all day because it's pointless. We want you to talk to it. If there's something special about your car that you want to tell us, we're more than willing to listen to it. But please do not wait by your car all day for us to come around because it may take forever and you're going to miss so much of the show. And since most of you guys aren't from here, I'm pretty sure you guys want to experience it for the first time. So please have a good day. We'll see you at the end of the day. If you guys want to pick up an award or see who wins, other than that, have a good time. Thank you very much.
All right, the merch line started.
Why are we gonna wait?
All right, guys, the show just started. Gonna kind of do a quick walk around before we have to get to judging. What up, dude?
Hi.
You're all over the world.
Slowly. I'm trying to spread like COVID.
Nice. HK.
Let's flip it like right after I sent this shit.
And these got the fog light covers, but I'm pretty sure you have to like remove your fog lights.
Yeah, Homer could dead ass need it. It could possibly come through.
Hey, buddy. What's up with you? You okay? Hello? Yeah. How you feeling? You took 5 pills? Oh, wow. Yeah, well, I mean, it wasn't that hard, was it? Okay. Okay, good. No, one of my friends, Mr. Sexy, the guy with the S2K that does the fenders, he's here. I'm just doing a walkthrough right now. Huh? No, he flew out here. He has friends out here. Trying to figure out what to get you. Okay, yeah, just have him text me. That's fine. Okay. Love you, buddy. Okay. Bye.
When he gets it done, we'll have to bring it by.
So I called.
But as long as, yeah, but if we can like
Plus, it's a weird size. It's not something that's common.
check out these.
I want to. Well, we can finish this one and then hit the bathroom.
Even Toll Road is not good.
Okay, sounds good. It should be roughly about 2 weeks.
Only 2 weeks.
Okay.
Only, thank you.
Alright, so that's 2 mediums and 1 small, right?
2 medium, yeah. Just a quick question. How much for each? Because I'm actually like getting one for my friend.
They're 45.
45.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, you guys.
Okay, thank you. Right. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Have a good one.
You too.
We just want to order. Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. What size would you want to do?
Medium.
Medium? Okay.
Various spoon. I like that wing.
Which one on this?
Yeah, I'm kind of sold on the reverse crane wing for the FK8. It's funny because when I first got mine, I was like, I'm not getting a wing. I like the stock one. And then now that I see all these other ones, I'm like, fuck, I like that wing. It's cute. Very simple and clean.
There's like no orange peel on this.
It's crazy. That's what I'm staring at.
Cut and fucking wet sand.
I think the hardest thing about this is like putting too much of my personal opinion
on the car.
Like or not opinion, but like my personal taste. So I have to like sometimes remove myself from what I like.
Yeah.
And then look at it from like a different perspective. I think that's the hardest part. Yeah, exactly. Like like the color contrast in the wheel, it's cool. It's not my thing, but it's also not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's definitely like, I like the contrast. I mean, yellow is a very tricky color to match. I know that from having one.
Body kit looks bad.
Oh, kinda. Yeah, you're right. It's two different colors.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a combination of both? I'm just trying to figure out why the fenders are white, but it's a wrap.
The person that's winning this award today has been a part of the Pacific Northwest car community for a very long time. He's always had a very spectacular build, very subtle, and he himself is also a very quiet individual, but he's been a long-time supporter of Wekfest and an incredible car builder. And today we are awarding the Judge's Choice Award to a 2004 Civic Si owned by Mel Diego. Oh, come on. Who did you think was going to win? What car is it? Where's the CS4? Oh, not today. Maybe tomorrow. It is unique. Today, the car of the festival goes to a Lexus RC Coupe.